For today's video, we're going to be playing a little game on the practice tree. I actually don't recommend you try this one at home. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make 3 hits. That's it. After each one, I'm going to spin a wheel and have to do what it says. If I'm from 000 to 009, I get to spin a wheel that has predominantly good things. If I am 10 to 19, I'll spin a wheel that is half and half, good and bad. And if I'm 20 or later or am red, I will spin a wheel that's likely not going to be good. So let's get after it. First hit. All right. Let's go. Oh, let's go, baby. 000. All right. First spin, we get the best wheel we can spin. So, better give us something good. Come on, baby. Yes. Oh my God. Let's go. Eat mini M&Ms. I knew this was a good idea. Oh yeah. Maybe you should try this at home. I almost had to clean the shop though. That would have been bad. Here we go. Round 2 of 3. Let's try to keep it up. Bam. No way. 1 red. Are you kidding me? It had to have been the M&Ms, dude. Sped me up 1,000. Well, doesn't look very good for us. Here we go. Shoot. Oh no. Okay, I've never used this on my head before, but we're gonna give it a shot and hope it's pointing how it should, and here we go. All right, let's get those valve covers switched. That ain't good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Jesus. As some of you may know, the motor's hurt already. We had a lifter break, so might as well take it to get refreshed. All right, boys, here we go. Taking the motor. There she is. Don't try to steal it, I will shoot you.
2 hours later.
We're here. We are finally home. Right about now. Now that that is finally over, let's go ahead and make our third and final hit on the practice tree. We're set up right where we were. Here we go. 10, I guess that makes sense. I'm a little bit tired after all that. 10 on the tree, that's between 10 and 19. So we get to spin the half good, half bad wheel. Let's see what we get. Oh my God. Oh, thank God. Holy crap. Watch Golfstar TV, I will take that every Wednesday, baby. Heck, I take that every damn day of the week.
But welcome to Golfstar TV Saturday. I am super pumped about this. Golfstar TV Saturday is finally happening here. The 777 Bracket Jackpot, Cedar Falls, Iowa. Loving the signage. Additionally, we have the Golfstar TV Dead Nuts Challenge going on down
Wait a second.
here all weekend
Dead
long.
nuts?
Any round of elimination in a $7,000 event, you lay down a perfect lap. Trip, zip, dead nuts. You're getting 500 bones, 500 bucks.
You know, I don't think anyone has ever used my discount code in the Golfstar TV store. It's code TheRock10. Somebody go use it. That would mean the world to me. Pick yourself up something nice. They got a ton of awesome stuff in there. If not, that's okay. But that's going to do it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.